Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Hello News. Just a reminder before we get started, this is not a hype video, this is not a paid promotional video, this is an honest review video to help you understand the product and give you my advice regarding it. However, as per usual, there will be a link to the sales page in the description if you choose to purchase the product using my link. And if you are going to purchase it, I hope you do use my link, but I will receive a commission in that case. However, again, the goal is to give you my honest opinion of the product. Again, this is Hello News. Now, this bears a lot of similarity to a product that I reviewed probably close to a year ago called Go News. In that it is providing software that allows you to create your own self-updating news site. I don't know because I didn't use that software and I haven't used this software, so I'm not comparing them. And frankly, the only reason I even bring that up is that if you purchased Go News and you were unsatisfied with it, you will likely be unsatisfied with Hello News as well. So, but I don't know that they're the same product. It's not uncommon in the world of affiliate marketing for someone to buy the resell rights, rebrand something, put their name on it, and put it back on the market. There are numerous products that I've looked at in the past where that's the case. It's also not uncommon for a vendor to basically just change the name of a product and re-release it a month or two after the original product. So all of that as an aside, right away I'm going to tell you that personally I'm a fan of these. There's a ton of advertising opportunity and there's a ton of traffic building opportunity in these. Okay. The simple reality is that people like to be informed. People want to know what's going on in the world. People often want to know things that aren't necessarily, in my opinion, super important, like celebrity quote-unquote news. But if that's the type of site you want to put together, you can do that. So, what is this? This is software that will allow you to create multiple. It says multiple set and forget passive income streams. I'm going to be clear right away. Although I'm a fan of what this type of software does, the number of sites that you're going to be able to create with this, with the front end, is going to be limited. And the reason that I can tell you that it's going to be limited is that I know that one of the one-time offers is an unlimited site license, which is going to allow you to create as many sites as you want. So I don't know if the limit is 1, the limit could be 3, the limit could be 5, but you won't be able to create unlimited sites with the front end. Now the front end is also going to be very, very well priced. We'll get there at the bottom. Okay. There's no paid ads, content creation, video or social posting is needed. Okay, so you can use this. You can set this up however you want. You could set these sites up and use them exclusively to promote your own products if you want. You could set it up to run with Google Ads. You could set it to run with any. Basically, you can figure out how you want to monetize your site. Okay. 2-in-1 software automates your traffic and website completely with 10-time engagement. Proof of life-changing results for marketers of all levels. Now, the proof is always difficult to actually prove. We see things like this. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I tend to look at stuff like this with a grain of salt because this isn't showing us where any money is coming from. Even this, okay, it's from Google AdSense, estimated earnings, but it's not telling us that it's coming from this particular site, and that makes it difficult. Okay, and it's not hard to purchase or tweak these things. Again, I'm not saying anybody is editing these things. I'm simply saying that you need to keep your eyes open when you're looking at products. There's a lot of stuff out there. Not everybody. It would be lovely if everyone was advertising honestly. But if you believe in honesty in advertising, if you believe that advertising and honesty is, sorry, if you believe that honesty in advertising is the standard rather than the exception, then you should probably stay at your 9 to 5 job, or there's not a lot. I'm not saying you can't be honest, but expect to find a lot of tweaked information when it comes to affiliate marketing. A lot of things are not quite what they're promised to be. Okay, so we've got some interesting copy here on passive income, which is true. A lot of people do try to sell passive income as a thing. Passive income is great. It is attainable if you are spending 12 hours a day online building passive income. It's not passive. Passive income is when you set something up once, or you do something once and it continues to make money for you. So if you go to your 9 to 5 job and you're putting in, say, 8 hours a day, and then you go back the next day and you do the same thing, right? You're getting paid for your time. That's your conventional, traditional job. That's not passive income, because you're getting paid in most cases for your time. If, on the other hand, you say create a YouTube channel, or you create, let's say you publish a book. Books are pretty good examples of this. You put the time and the effort into creating the book, and you hand it off to a publisher, or you put it up on KDP or Amazon or whatever, and then you just let it run from there. Now you're letting other people sell your book, and you aren't doing the effort, but you're still bringing in money. Right? You've done something once, and now you've got a passive income stream set up. All right, so how does this work? Well, you're going to upload it. You're going to activate the app, choose the themes. Basically, you're going to upload, and then you're going to customize. Now, again, I've mentioned in the past that these things often look way easier than they are. Step 2, customize. Well, you're not just going to push one button. There's going to be a lot involved to customize. Step 3, drive traffic. Now, once you get people to your news site, and I would strongly recommend you pick a specific niche. So I'm in Canada. I might pick Canadian news. You might pick celebrity culture. You might pick either left or right wing politics, or you might pick, you know what's best. You know what you're interested in. You might pick international news. It would not be a bad idea these days to pick a topic that is different than what most people hear. So, but what happens is that people find your site. You're going to do some work promoting it for sure, but as people find your site and they find that they like the content that you're sharing, they're going to bookmark your site, or they're going to add it to their favorites, and they're going to be back again and again and again. And while the site itself is not going to make you money, the site is going to host ads and other things that are going to make you money, right? So this is how the whole thing works, and you can set up truly passive income. This works off of an RSS system, which basically means that you're going to set certain criteria from certain sites, and it will automatically update to your site. So, for instance, let's say you like 123 News. I'm making this up. I don't know of a place called 123 News. You pick 123 News, and you pick Middle Eastern politics. So when there's something going on in Syria or Lebanon or Saudi Arabia, it's going to automatically get those stories are automatically going to show up on your website. And if people click on the links, well, again, what we want is people to click on the ads on there. So we've got a lot of hype on here. We've got a lot of copy. Here's good stuff for us. So this includes a WordPress plugin, multiple theme to automatically create you monetize self-updating news sites, no tech skills required, proven cloud-based traffic software that gets targeted visitors to your news sites 24/7 without paying for ads. That's the thing, is you don't want to be paying for ads to get people to come to your site. You want people to come to your site and click on ads that are going to make you money. A step-by-step video guides to have your profitable news site up and running in minutes. This is invaluable when you are trying to set up any kind of new website or using any kind of new software, to be able to watch a couple minutes of video and then go do exactly what was just done. That is tremendously helpful. Health mentions COVID-19 specifically, automotive, music, etc. So again, you can set this up for, as far as I'm aware, it looks like literally any niche that you want. Okay, so here we go. We got fashion news, health news, COVID, education, entertainment, right? And we know there's all kinds of additional niches that you could set up. Now, we don't want to make this a super long video, so we're just going to kind of skim over this. We got video news, professional themes. Okay, there's a little demo here. Okay, and significantly, we're going to see this at the bottom as well. The launch price on this, I believe, is $18.50 US for the front end. And again, there's going to be some upsells available to you. But they're also giving you this Hello 2 code that you can use to get an extra $2 off. So $16.50 for software that will let you set up an RSS-based website to drive traffic is a fantastic price. Again, we don't want to buy it or advocate for it just because it's cheap. We want to buy it or advocate for it because it's good. And I do believe that this is going to help you out. It's, again, like with anything else, it's not going to be for everybody, but it's going to be very, very useful for you in most cases, because it's going to, not only are you going to be able to pick up advertising to drive traffic to your news site, and again, once people are on your site, they're going to come back over and over and over again if they like what they see, but then the banners and the ads and the links that you're going to have on your news site are going to drive traffic to other things that are going to make you money. And that's where the passive income stream is going to come in. Okay? So, you don't have to create product, you don't have to pay for traffic, you don't have to write content, you don't have to spend, and again, this is the big one, you don't have to spend any time updating your websites. You're going to set the criteria and it's going to happen automatically. Now we're going to skip through a lot of this. Now we did look at some of this already. So you can build lists of targeted subscribers. You can build passive Amazon ad commissions, AdSense commissions, affiliate marketing. You can advertise your own products. Okay, this is giving you some of the sites that you can borrow from. It's set up automatically to draw. You can literally go through and pick from a big list which sites you are interested in drawing stories from. So if you, for instance, really like CNN, for whatever reason, you can have stories from CNN show up. If you really like stories from Fox News, for whatever reason, you can have stories come in from Fox News. And the list is much bigger than just the few that are listed here. Okay. Again, see MTV, financial news, crypto coins. All right, so a bit of diversity going on there. You customize the sites. And at this point, we've really covered most of it. And we've got integrated Google Translate, integrated spin rewriter, auto update. Okay, again, check this out for yourself. Make sure you understand everything that's in here before you go and purchase the product. That is your responsibility. This is giving you a lot of the features that are built in. And you're going to get some traffic software as well. Then I believe we've got some bonuses. So we've got the Azon Profit Builder. We've got Video Traffic Siphon, Social Traffic Pro, Amazon Finder, Traffic Pro. Now, if you look at these, what they are mostly going to do is so Amazon Profit Builder is going to help you get commissions from Amazon. The rest of these are all designed to help you get additional traffic. So that's going to be a big bonus to you for this. Now, this has not gone live yet. It should be going live about the same time as this video. It does have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can use it for 30 days, and if you decide on day number 30, you know what, this really isn't working for me, or it's really not what I'd hoped, I'm somewhat disappointed with this, whatever, then you can get your money back. So that is, we've got some FAQs down here. Check this stuff out for yourself. Again, make sure you understand all of this before you go and jump in. I did mention some one-time offers. So just before we go off here, like I said, the first one-time offer is going to give you unlimited site licenses and commercial rights, which means you can create and sell sites to other people, to clients. The second one-time offer will give you access to an additional 300 premium news sources. Now, unfortunately, I don't know what any of the built-in or additional news sources are, and that might be something to check out before you purchase. It does come by default with 138 top news sites. So to get the extra 300, it's also going to give you additional themes. It's going to give you some monetization widgets. There's going to be another one-time offer to basically you're building up. So it's going to give you access to an exclusive VIP traffic tool. It's going to get you additional traffic to any site. It's basically it's traffic VIP. So it's going to, again, traffic based. Everything's about traffic here. And then the last one-time offer is 20 completely done for you viral news sites. So, and they're customizable, but they're basically already built. So all you need to do is tweak them the way you want, and they're good to go. So that is Hello News. Again, I would, if this is something that interests you, I don't have a big issue with this. Again, I've seen this sort of thing before. I'm not currently using it, but it does definitely have a great deal of income potential. And once you get it set up, it's basically fire and forget. You show up to customize the site from time to time, maybe change up the ads that you've got running or whatever. But it's going to. I think it's something that is an in-demand product right now. So there's certainly a lot of dissatisfaction with old school, contemporary, well, contemporary is not a good word, traditional news sources. So this is a great time to hop into alternative news, or even just kind of a curated news site. You can figure out how you want to best use this, but the front end on this I think looks great, especially for the price. Throw in the coupon code and you're going to get it for $16.50, which, what is $16.50 in 2022? Not much, and it's a great looking product. So check out the video, check out the videos in the sales page, and I hope that that's been a helpful review. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you guys back here again soon.